In this video, we'll cover how to fix Temu refund delays or missing refund errors. So first thing is first, if you did issue a refund, make sure that you've waited at least 5 to 14 business days. They do mention that some could take up to 30 days for the refund to reflect in your original payment method. If you opt for a Temu credit refund, it will be added to your Temu credit balance very quickly, within a few minutes. The next thing to do is to actually track your refunds. So you want to go to the top right to your profile icon and then click on your orders, and you'll see all orders. You can check for the item that you refunded there, or you can go to the returns section on top and then check for the item there. You can click on it and then you can see how far it is in the returns process. As well as on the bottom right on the home screen, or pretty much on most of the screens, you can see you have the messages and feedback icon. If you click on messages, you can see the refund message and you can view the details from there. If you enabled email notifications for your order, you can also click on the links that they emailed you to track your refund status as well. And if too much time passes, you will unfortunately need to contact customer service. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.